Hey, hello. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I upload fonts onto Cricut Design Space, and we're going to create a fun design together. So watch this space. So to upload my fonts or to download fonts, I use a website called Creative Fabrica. Basically, it's a website that contains loads and loads of fonts and graphics, and you pay £3.99 per month, very low subscription rate, and you get access to all of these amazing fonts and crafts and graphics. And the great thing about it all is that you can actually use them commercially. So, what does that mean? You can't download and resell. However, you can download and use them in the crafts that you sell. So, you can see there's different kinds of fonts. That you can download. And usually, when I have a design in my mind or I'm making something, I would go into Creative Fabrica, type in whatever I'm looking for. For example, LOL, I'm making an LOL cake topper, look for LOL fonts and see what's out there. So you can see there's some superhero, pop art, comic type LOL designs, but that's not quite what I want. So I'm going to go back and just go through their fonts and see if there's anything that kind of stands out to me that would work with my design. So going through it, you can see some nice script fonts, decorative fonts, and yeah, just trying to decide what would work for what I want. So I thought about using this goodbye, but I think that would be quite nice for a handwriting style of fonts. Maybe not quite what I want. You can see it includes your commercial license as well. So maybe not really what I want. So I'm gonna see if I can get another type of font. This one would be really good for writing your name tags or anything, like that. The summer beach looks cute, but the thick jungle looks quite interesting, isn't it? It looks like a chalkboard type of font. So let me try and use that. So I'm going to download it. Just press the green download button and it automatically downloads into your computer. Mine goes to downloads. So I open my file explorer, I go to download and then right click on thick jungle and press extract all. I've pressed the wrong thing, so I'm just going to go back to it. So right click and press extract all, that's it. And just extract it out of the zipped folder. And then you just double click, and it usually comes in two types. So there's the open type font and the true type font. So if it comes with two, I would download the true type font. However, this is only come with one, so I would download this one. So just double click to open it and press install. On some computers, you might just be able to right click and press install, and that would install it to your computer ready to use. Now, quick tip. If you're going to use this in Cricut Design Space, I recommend installing the font before you open your Design Space application. Otherwise, the font will not be available to use, and you have to close down your Design Space application and then open it again. Okay, so I've installed it now. I am opening my Design Space application. So I go to a new project and then I go to my text, not upload, text, and I will type out what I want. So I think that font will be quite, because it looks quite chalk body, so it'll be quite cute for a school design. So let's make something that says first day of kindergarten, something like that. Um, and we will use that font for kindergarten. So I would go back to check the name of my font because I always forget the name of the font. So it's called Thick Jungle. Okay, brilliant. So kindergarten is highlighted. Go to the font section of Design Space. Cricut Sans is the default, so you want to change that. So where it says font, click on that box, and then what you need to do is go to system, because it's a system font, something that you've downloaded, so something that is on your computer. To make it quicker, you can just type the name of the font, and I'm just going to type Jungle, and it should bring it up, and then just click on it and it will change your font. Okay, so click back into your canvas to see what you've done, and you see that it looks quite cute. So kindergarten, it looks quite nice, cute, fun. It will look really nice on a t-shirt. So let's try and change this design a little bit to make it look pretty. So I'm just going to change that first font to another script font. I think that will go well with it. I'm going to go with a font called Kaylin Bloom, which is another one that I have downloaded from Creative Fabrica. Okay, and then just trying to make it pretty. So I'm just going to change the color of kindergarten to red, and then make the other one, just ungroup the other ones, and then separate each word. So first, day of, and then I'll just change the colors a little bit. You can also use your offset features to make it thicker if you want, but if you're going to be using iron on, that should be fine. And then the final thing I'm going to do is once I've rearranged it to kind of where I want it to be, one thing I'm going to do is to just weld the words together. Otherwise, it will print all jumbled up all over the place. But you actually want it to print as one. So you can either attach it or weld it. So I like to weld it to make sure that it stays in one place. So kindergarten is welded, and then I'll do the same for all the other words. Combine, weld, combine, weld, combine, weld, and then just move it around a bit to make it look pretty. Just whatever works for you, really. Okay, so once I'm happy with that, I can go ahead and make this design. So I hope you found this video useful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and that you like this video, and just share it with your network, share it with your friends. Thank you, and see you at the next video.